Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue. So today we are going to learn how to create a Vue app with the help of the Vue CLI. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like and share a comment on my video. So let's get started. So for the installation, first of all, I have checked my node version, that is node version is 16. Then you have to install the globally Vue CLI. So the command is npm install -g @vue/CLI. Okay, then I need to create my Vue app. So to create the Vue app, you have to write the command, that is Vue create and the app name. So I'm just copying it and trying to add it over here. Okay, so it will create so first it will asking whether it's to be Vue 3 or Vue 2. So Vue 3, so it will install the basic Vue app. So it's done, just installing additional dependencies. Okay, then we have to go with the help of this command to the folder, copy, paste, and then we have to run this command npm run serve. Okay, now the development server is started. Now you have to copy this link or just open this link. Now this is the basic Vue app, you can see that. Okay, so this is how you are able to install or create a basic Vue app into your application. Any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.